Samatanga yoko moinu muske Raila Odinga sinka yaye nigo abarai kure serikali enene monabageni kurwa chinse chesko baikirana nabaigo kurwa engora yabo asinchira yabene bakoragwa no murai wense Dr. William Ruto murai omukoro wense Uhuru Kenyatta murai omukoro wense ya Nigeria Olusegun Obasanjo negati yabande nigo bamutogire nyagosira Raila Odinga asokwerwa kurwanira oburai obuya nabaigo gusaba abarai kubwata chimbwa chaye Murikito Clinton Ondigi na mange
Amatanga yoko mwenia homuske Raila Odinga nigo ainekiwa Jumapili tariki 19 cy'umutenyo yoga oikomi mwaka w'igabwekirubere 2025 asenkayae umugondo bwo poda ensemo ya bunge ya Bondo county ya Siaya.
We as Kenyans may be governed in the way of peace.
Umegoyo horagone kanisa ya AIC yamate yae koragwana mu murumo abo Oburu Oginga murugyoye mama Aida Odinga mona bana bae Winnie Rosemary Junior negati abande nigo oikiranwa na barayikuru ase chinsemo ao haiga Kenya na isko ya Kenya.
River and democracy of our nation grow.
Umurai wense William Ruto muno mokonyoye Kithuri Kindiki niko bara higati ya baraibande kurwa ase serikali nene kumurera Raila Odinga ase Ruto hamotogire Raila sokwero kwae kurwandira ubura yobuya na magendro tari asensi ya Kenya yoka kurende boiga sorongo rwa Afrika nense ngima.
Of a great hero of our nation, a man who has been made through fabric of struggle, a man who many fondly referred as the people's president, the Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga.
Ruto boigo nigo aigereire okubwaterana kwaye kwange no murayo yo asobora ibwe siasa na boigo hoigerero kubwaterana kwaye asoba mu bwe serikali na oria eira yogo cha kugendera kubwaterana na baraibatikaire eri kugenderia hamaroro ayura ira ringete kwenekya ense nkobere no murembe na boigo kubwaterana kwa baraibonsi.
Mimi nataka niwahakikishie kwa mapenzi ya Mungu ODM will either form the next government or be part of the next government. Ile kitu siwezi kukubali. Ile kitu kwa heshima ya huyu shujaa wetu. Ile kitu siwezi kukubali. Na nitafanya juu chini Mungu anisaidie. Ni wale ambao wanataka kungoa chama ya ODM na kwenda kuchezea karata ya upinzani kule nje. Hiyo haitawezekana. Government of Kenya, as we look after Raila's legacy, you too will stand guard with us to look after Raila's legacy. Together with all the other people who worked with Baba. To this community, I want to assure you that by God's grace, we're going to journey together in the footsteps and in the direction that our friend and brother Raila Odinga has pointed to us.
Oyo kabeire humurai wense ya Kenya Uhuru Kenyatta na ere boigo negatia bari baikirana asasabira bananchi na barai kubwatia chimbwa cy'umuske Raila Odinga eri wikirania hamaroraye yoko egerera omorembe oburai obuya amagendra se chinsemo chonsi.
We shall miss your insights, we shall miss your thoughtfulness, we shall miss your wisdom, and we shall miss your laughter. We'll live long, as I said, and we will remember, and I pray we remember those deeds and the actions that we shall live, emulating our friend and brother.
Mheshimiwa Olusegun Obasanjo umurayo mukuru wense Nigeria uyorengo musani memono Raila Odinga uyu marange barokandire ko bamwase emiga emenge yabwangoiga hekero yo kuriya uburaibo mu bwa Afrika aseraira ari kuriya go choro buno umunyakero go mutinyo kabiro mwaka uyega kurenda kabugwa na Mohamed Yusuf kurwa senseria ya Djibouti nigo muske Obasanjo nere airaribaga yo kumurera senchira ya bene hasa togire sabari ya yo burayo buya na gusabira nkoro yae irarasagia.
For me, I've lost a brother. I've lost a friend. I've lost a confidant. I've lost a co-worker in the vineyard of Africa. Sleep in the bosom of your Creator. Adieu, Raila Odinga.
Jessica Magufuli, umunyaruka huyo kabiru muraibwensi ya Tanzania, nyagusira John Pombe Magufuli, Elizabeth Macheka Changirai, umurugi huyo kabiru muwaziri mwenebwensi ya Zimbabwe, nyagusira Morgan Changirai, nigati ya baribaikirana, ababuatani kurua sense ya Uganda, bakuragwa noyo kabire umuwaziri mwenene Dr. Ruhakana Rugunda, muwaziri hotendrete ukubuatara na weserekari, nebyombe ao hasense yo John Mulimba, amuno muwaziri boborendi, Brigadier General McDains Kamugira, nigobaikirania he ujumbe umuraibwensi ya Uganda, Yoweri Museveni, muwaziri hotendrete hebi wanda imense ya DRC, aime Bosi Sangara, nere na ikirania ujumbe, na boiko yangore ya bene, kurua sumuraibuense yu Felix Tshisekedi. Clinton Ondigi, Ensoko TV.